Well, we are inside 2 weeks to splash date, and the list is far bigger than we want it to be.
We have probably between 15 and 20 projects left to complete before we splash. The vast majority of those are in flight, so don't panic yet.
They're well underway, but they've got to complete. We also have to move everything out of storage and fully move back on the boat.
Oh, right.
There's a lot. There's a lot to do, and so this week we are not going to roll a full-length video.
Once we splash, we'll be going back and showing you some of the big projects, things like batteries, DC power, solar, our water maker installation. So there's still lots coming up, but between now and then, we are going to come to you every single day through shorts and give you a little update about what we're doing.
A little taste of the show.
Because it is a little bit crazy.
It is.
So we would ask you please to send us all your good vibes. We need them.
We need them. Oh my God, do we need them?
We definitely need them. We are, well,
We are grinding hard. It's 10 o'clock on Saturday night.
is it Saturday? Yeah, it's Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday. 10 o'clock on Saturday night. And we're recording this for Sunday tomorrow morning for y'all. And it's game on full time right now.
Yes,
We're not going to bed right now.
No.
We're just moving on to the next thing. So think great thoughts toward us. Send us love. Give us an emoji. Hit that like and subscribe still, even though this is a short. And look forward to what's coming, because once we're in the water, it's going to start getting different. I mean, there'll still be projects, but it's going to be a little different.
We'll definitely have plenty of projects to do once we're back in the water, but I am so ready to produce a video that is not
Just
a
refit.
project.
I might even get a haircut. Who knows?
Okay, so you tell us in the comments below, should Sean get a haircut?
What do you think, folks? Am I ready? Ready for the little salon time? I think I probably am.
Probably.
All
All
right.
right, thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.